The thought of grace usually brings us a sense of peace, beauty, and blessing from God. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, grace means elegance, poise, finesse, and charm. It also indicates the smooth and charming movement that an artist, a dancer, or a sport team demonstrates in physical actions. So when we use the word grace, it means different beautiful things to different people. To me, grace is a gift of our own heart beating to keep us alive. Grace is the energy that keeps us going and living. Grace is the love from within our heart that already exists for us. Grace is also the harmonious ebb and flow of the river of life that each of us travels. It gives us the strength and hope when the water is rough, and joy and happiness when the water is calm. Grace is indeed the beauty of life for humanity. Being a human being is a tremendous gift of grace that each of us is given at birth, and we do have the choice to keep it and honor it throughout our life. In my book, Living in Grace, Living Your Best Life Now, grace is a powerful set of 5 values: gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. When we integrate all of these 5 values of grace and develop a daily habits of living, honoring these values, the lens we use to experience life will become so much more uplifting and inspirational. Life becomes a valuable gift where every moment counts. Every obstacle or hardship will become an opportunity for us to practice courage, accountability, and engagement to grow and to become better. We will become more aware of our own thoughts, emotions, and feelings, and we will have much more clarity on what thoughts we want to have, what emotions we want to nurture, and what actions and results we want to achieve in our life. As a result, strong and deep relationships will be fostered and nourished. Opportunities for collaboration will happen naturally. Life will become a series of intensive and yet beautiful experiences that we create with the intention of grace to truly uplift ourselves, uplift others, and to shine a light on whomever interacts with us. That light is not from outside. That light comes from our heart, from our intention to practice empathy and kindness. It is a gift that we are given through the practice of grace.